Hey! May gusto po akong sabihin sa mga taong nagpe-pray ngayon pero somehow parang pagod na. Sa mga umiiyak sa gabi pero walang nakakaalam. Sa mga lumalaban sa pananampalataya pero minsan gusto nang sumuko. At sa mga nagtatanong ng Lord, nasan ka na? Because let's be honest, may mga season po sa buhay natin na tila ba parang tahimik ang langit at tahimik ang Diyos. Yung bang nagdadasal tayo pero walang sagot? Nagfa-fasting tayo pero parang walang pagbabago? Yung umiiyak na tayo pero parang walang response ang langit? At sa katahimikang yon, meron tayong naririnig na bumubulong ng parang, God has forgotten you. Wala nang mangyayari. Sumuko ka na, tumigil ka na. Pero pakinggan po natin ito. Ang katahimikan ng Diyos ay hindi ibig sabihin na wala ang Diyos. Psalms 46:10 says, Be still and know that I am God. Minsan tahimik po ang Diyos, pero hindi nangangahulugan na siya ay absent or nawawala. You see, God works even when we don't see it. Yan ang unang katotohanan. Hindi man natin nakikita, hindi ibig sabihin wala nang ginagawa ang Panginoon. John 5:17 says, My Father is always working. So habang umiiyak tayo, may inaayos ang Diyos. Habang naghihintay tayo, may binubuo ang Panginoon. At habang confused tayo, may pinaplano ang Panginoon. Alam mo po ba kung bakit? Because God does His work best in hidden seasons. Remember Joseph? He was silent in the pit. He was silent in slavery. And he was silent in prison. Pero habang tahimik ang season, God was preparing for him a palace. Genesis 50:20 says, What you meant for evil, God meant for good. So your silence is not empty. It is actually a preparation. Now the question is, can you trust God when He is quiet? Yun po yung tanong. Kaya pa po ba natin magtiwala kapag tila wala tayong naririnig sa Panginoon? Kasi kahit sino naman kaya magtiwala kapag may pagpapala, tama po ba? Pero yung tunay na pananampalataya, the real faith ay lumalabas kapag wala na tayong pera, wala tayong naririnig at nakukuhang answer, at tila wala tayong direksyon. Pero naniniwala pa rin tayo. 2 Corinthians 5:7 says, For we walk by faith and not by sight. So faith is saying, Lord, hindi man kita naririnig, pero hindi kita iiwanan. Hindi man kita naiintindihan, pero magtitiwala pa rin ako sa iyo. Yan po ang faith na hinahanap ng ating Panginoon. You see, God is not delaying us. He is actually preparing us. May nagsasabi nga ng, Lord, bakit ang tagal? Pero listen carefully. Delay is not necessarily denial. Ecclesiastes 3:11 says, He makes everything beautiful in His time. Note that, not your time, His time. Because if God answers too early, baka hindi natin kayang dalhin eh. Kung ibibigay niya agad ang mga pagpapala, baka yung character natin hindi pa ready. And remember this, God cares more about who you are becoming than what you are receiving. Romans 5:3-4, Suffering produces perseverance, and perseverance, character, and character, hope. So God is not just answering prayers. God is building you and me. Remember this, God has not forgotten you and me. Hindi po tayo nakalimutan or nakakalimutan ng Panginoon. Isaiah 49:15, Can a mother forget her child? And though she may forget, I will not forget you, says the Lord. Naririnig po ng Panginoon ang bawat dasal natin. Psalms 56:8, You have collected all my tears in your bottle. Every tear that we cried, God saw it. Every silent battle, He knows it. And every time we almost gave up, God was there. Kaya nga po, our silent season has a purpose. Minsan kasi akala natin pag tahimik ang lahat, we are in a season of punishment. No. Training season din po yun. Minsan akala natin abandonment na, pero alignment pala. Minsan akala natin God is ignoring us, pero sa reality, God is positioning us. 1 Peter 5:10, after you have suffered a little while, He will restore you, strengthen you, and establish you. So our story is not yet over. Our prayer is not ignored. And our breakthrough is not canceled. So, don't quit now. Don't stop praying now. Don't lose faith now. And don't walk away from God now. Because sometimes, God is quiet because He is about to do something powerful. And when God breaks His silence, one word from God can change everything. One moment, one answer, one breakthrough. Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3 says, though it tarries, wait for it, it will surely come. So stay faithful, stay surrendered, and stay expectant from the Lord. Because even when heaven seems silent, the reality is, God is still working. At sa totoo lang, baka mas malapit na ang breakthrough mo kaysa iniisip mo. Shalom.